Kasi no, in college this happened. However, nung grade school, high school, did you also experience these things? Oo. Okay. Yeah. Mm-mm. Okay. How are your grades nung grade school and high school? By okay meaning pasado or parang above average or what does okay mean? Mm-mm. Okay, I see. Sige. Migs, has there ever been a time na you notice you're more irritable than usual? Mm-mm. Ah, parang masyadong maraming nangyayari. Ah, oo. Ah, okay. Okay. Tapos, would you say medyo sensitive ka to noises, sounds, or even temperature or texture? Oo. What else? Mm-mm. Mm. Yeah, I'm familiar. Oo. Mm. Mm-mm. Oo. Ah, okay. Okay. Would you say that sorry. Yeah, go ahead. Okay, sige. How about sorry. Would you say na you like routines? You like routines, you like things to be the same, or parang you like to eat the same thing every day? May ganun ka? Mm-mm. Okay. Ah, okay. Mm-mm. Yeah, okay. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Okay. Okay. Um, Migs, would you say you also, nung grade school, high school, did you have friends noon? Mm-mm. 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 Mm. Mm-mm. Okay. Okay. Opo. Mm-mm. Ah, oo. Were are you the type who's more comfortable talking to adults than people your age? Okay. It's okay. Mm. And that's okay. Okay. Mm-mm. I see. Okay. All right. Migs, when you said that it was because you were different, different in what way? Okay. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Migs, would you say that sometimes it's difficult for you to express emotions or or show emotions or oo. Mm-mm. Yeah. Sometimes ba would you say it's also hard to read the emotions of other people? Parang there are times na you have to clarify multiple times. What do they mean? Oo. Okay. Yeah. Okay. ID. Sige, Migs, before I ask more questions, the Zoom kasi will end in a minute. Can you just re-enter the same link, please? Okay. Yeah, you leave and then you re-enter para we can refresh the time. Mm-mm. Okay, thank you, Migs. Hello? Okay, I hear you. Sige. Migs, okay. Um, was there any point in your life where you felt extreme sadness to the point that you wanted to hurt yourself? Mhm. Mm-mm. Mm. Okay. When was the last time you experienced this? Ay, sorry, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. No problem. Hello? Okay. Yeah. Okay. I was asking when was the last time you felt extreme sadness? Mm-mm. 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 I see. Parang for you, oh, sorry, sorry. Yeah. Okay. No, I hear you. I hear you. So parang this is the thing that's most stressful for you right now and the thing you want addressed. Na you're working really hard, but because of the things we talked about sa inattention and the hyperactivity, it it's been um hindering you from achieving your goals. Okay, sige. Um, Migs, there are scales that I want you to answer right now. Yeah. Did you answer? Were you sent na ba the scales? Not yet. Yeah, the one from the drive. Um, can you just answer yung WRS, WRS, the PHQ9, GAD7? Actually, sige, you just answer everything. You answer everything, tapos I'll wait for you to finish. Um, you let me know kung anong scores na nakuha mo. Um, and um, before that, how are you feeling right now? Okay. How's your hmm, Okay. Sige. Um, any sadness lately, Migs? Or wala naman? Okay. All right. Okay. Any worries you're feeling? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Are these worries something you always think about that becomes, unmanageable or kaya naman? Mm-mm. 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 Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Don't the worries ba, Mig? Sometimes it's difficult to control. Okay. Okay. Would you notice also na it's sometimes it keeps you up at night or you wake up worrying of these things? Okay. How about you notice that you're restless, you're very tense? Okay, tense. Okay. Yung worry na nararamdaman mo ngayon, Nix, is it something that you constantly feel? It's just that sometimes it wanes down, but it's always there. Okay. It's a kind of thing. Okay. Okay. Sige. Um, Migs, you have any thoughts of wanting to harm yourself right now or hurt yourself? None man. Okay. Sige. All right. Before I give my assessment, Migs, you have any questions? Mm-mm. Okay. Anger. Okay. Okay. That's good. Yeah. Okay. Meron pa rin. Sige. Sige, I'll wait for you to answer them. Yeah. Eto na lang, Migs. Sige. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, go ahead. Okay, sige. Migs, I'll give you my assessment. You wanna hear about it? Okay. Migs, I'm having the scales done just to be sure, but I'm suspecting there are really symptoms of ADHD. And the ADHD is the one that's impairing your ability to maximize your potential in work. And I think you feel that also. Okay. And then, yes. And then Migs, it seems also that because sometimes kasi with the ADHD, there's also difficulties regulating your emotions. So this may actually cause anxiety and sometimes depression. Kasi there are so many things going through your mind, and then this would also accompany a lot of worries too. Yeah. And the worries can be difficult to manage if ever. Okay. Sige. Like this, Migs. I'm gonna send a prescription. I want you to do some lab tests first. How do you feel about starting on medications? Help. Hmm. How do you feel about starting on medications to help the symptoms of anxiety as well as the ADHD? Mm-mm. Okay. You're okay with it? Yeah. There's also behavioral therapies that can be done. Pairing best evidence is both medications and behavioral therapy for ADHD. Kasi parang kinaya mo with the behavioral stuff nung college. But what's hard is that the the higher and the more difficult the requirements get, it gets more and more difficult to cope. Mm-mm. Okay. So definitely we'll be working on mga behavioral interventions, but I would suggest na to start on medications to help the symptoms, and it's immediate eh. Mm-mm. Sound good? Okay. Sige. Migs, I'll start you with, kasi in my head, I wanna start you on two medications. One for the anxiety, one for the ADHD. But for me, we can start on one muna. We'll start the one on the ADHD kasi I'm thinking if that is addressed, it may also lessen the worries you're experiencing. Okay. However, prior to starting this medication, we have to do an ECG kasi it has effects on your heart. So we sort of want to get a baseline and then assess how it is from that point on. ECG. Yeah. Mm-mm. Okay. Yeah, no, it's good you asked. I welcome that. So I'm gonna give you the medication. It's called Ritalin. Ritalin. It's a methylphenidate, yeah, methylphenidate derivative. Yun yung first line for symptoms of inattention and hyperactivity. Um, what to expect? It's going when you take it in the morning or you take it when you need to focus. So as soon as you take it, it's immediate. So you may start to notice that you can focus more, you can filter more information easily, you get less distracted. Um, but it also comes with side effects, like with any other medication. You can it can increase your worries, you can start to palpitate, you can become jittery, you can have tremors, but the side effects don't occur all the time. It really depends on the person and how well they're able to tolerate it. Therefore, I'm gonna start you on a low dose. We're just gonna check if you're tolerating it, and then we're gonna increase to the therapeutic dose once you're able to tolerate the low dose. Okay. Um, as part of the side effect profile, kasi sometimes it can have effects on how the heart beats or how it conducts. So yeah, pero this is something that occurs like long term. And it's not something that occurs immediately, but it's still something we should monitor. So I would suggest to do at least a 12 lead ECG to check yung baseline function ng heart mo before starting on Ritalin. Yeah, the Ritalin. Yeah, you do an ECG first, and then if your heart is okay, let's start you on Ritalin. Para we're safe and we cover all the bases. Okay. Sige. The scales, you can answer them on your free time, tapos you send to our secretary when you're done. It's only going to solidify my impression, but I think meron talaga. Okay. Um, any questions you have so far? Wala naman. Sige. Mm, 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 mm. But of course we're gonna do it safely kasi yeah, yeah, of course. Kasi meds pa rin to at the end of the day. Yes. Of course. Pero it's not gonna happen like immediately. It happens on very, very long-term intake of Ritalin. Yeah. Pero syempre, you have to be prudent. Mm. Okay. Actually, that's the 1 hour mark. Mix. Yeah. You have any final questions or concerns that I can help you with? Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Okay. Okay. I'll send you a prescription for the ECG, and then once my results you send to me, once I read it na, I will send you a prescription para we can start, para we can try. Okay? Okay. Yun lang for me. Hmm, the scales. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Or if you want, you send it to the Viber of our secretary. That's okay also. Kahit na marami siya. Okay lang yun. Okay lang yan. I'll receive it. Oo, it's okay. Para wag na hassle. Oo. It's the one who's contacting you for the appointments. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, sige. Thanks, Megs. Nice to meet you. All right. Yeah. Okay, you take care. Happy holidays. Bye, Migs.